If you are looking for a step-by-step guide on how to deal with your period in the outdoors, then this is the video for you. Welcome to Roughing It with Ruth, the channel where everything is a bit rough around the edges. The first step is to take your backpack with you. Whether you are day hiking or on an overnight backpacking trail, you definitely want to take your gear with you because you might end up having a bit of an accident or needing additional items. So make sure that you take everything with you so that you don't have to sneak back and grab extra things halfway through. Then step number 2 is to find a nice private area where you can do your thing. Remember that if you are standing on the trail, you are not going to be able to see the area that you want from where you are because you don't want other people to be able to see you. Something that is really important to remember if you are going off trail to look for a toilet spot is to not get lost. So make sure that you look back the direction that you have come periodically and make sure that you can return to the trail once you have done your business. Have a nice scout around and find an area that has soft soil so that you can dig a cat hole. There should not be any poisonous or spiky plants around, and it should definitely offer some privacy, maybe a few bushes or a hollow in the ground or a rock pile, just something that can give you a little bit of a screen so that other people are not going to come across you unexpectedly. If you are not comfortable with squatting when you go to the toilet, then make sure that you find an area that has some kind of natural protrusion that you can rest or sit on, such as a fallen over log or a rock, or something that you can hold onto just to make your life a little bit easier. Then step number 3 is to lay out all of the things that you're going to need. So take out your toilet paper, your trowel, your period products, your water along with a water filter if you need to make sure that the water is clean. If you're going to be using hand sanitizer or soap, you can take that out as well. Make sure that you have your trash bag accessible for throwing away your period products. And then once you have done all of that, it's a good idea to just make sure that the rest of your backpack is still within arm's reach in case you've forgotten to take out something or you end up needing a change of clothes. Then step number 4 is to dig your cat hole. You can use your trowel to do this, or if you don't have a trowel, you can use a stick or a rock or the heel of your shoe. Make sure that it is at least 15 centimeters deep so that you can bury all of your own bodily waste. Step number 5 is to clean your hands. If you are using soap or hand sanitizer, then make sure after you have done that, you rinse them with clean filtered water so that you're not going to be putting soap or hand sanitizer onto your nether regions, because both of those things can mess with your vaginal pH and that can cause issues down the line. Okay, then step number 6 is to remove the lower half of your clothing and also to remove whatever period product you are currently using. So if this is a pad, then you'd remove that from out of your underwear, or if you're using an internal product, then you would remove that as well. If you're using a disposable product, such as a disposable pad or a tampon, then you should wrap that in either an opaque plastic trash bag or in some toilet paper and put that inside of your clear Ziploc trash bag. And if you're using some kind of reusable period product, such as a cup or a disc, then you can dump out the contents of the cup or the disc into your cat hole. Step number 8 is to clean any reusable period products such as discs or cups. Make sure that they are cleaned according to the manufacturer's specifications before reinserting them. And if you are using disposable products, then get out a new disposable tampon or disposable pad and either insert that or put that into your underwear. Then step number 9 is to clean your hands once again. Remember again to use filtered clean water and either soap or hand sanitizer to make sure that your hands are really clean in case you're going to be eating at some point afterwards. Then step number 10 is to replace all of your clothing, put your bag back on, and get back to the trail. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more from me, then you can click on my channel name to see videos that I've made in the past, or you can subscribe to my channel to see videos that I'm going to make in the future.